this letter. Do you know what letter this one is? This is the letter E. Yes, but the sound it makes is E. E. What things start with the sound E? Let's open it. Wow, there are many things. Wow, this is fun. Do you know the name of this vehicle? This is an excavator. Excavator. And ta-da! Egg! Yeah! This is an egg. Egg. Your favorite food, right? Look at this. This is called an envelope. Yeah, this is an envelope. If you want to send letter, you use this one. Envelope. Envelope. And ta-da! Your favorite vegetable. What? Yes, this is an eggplant. Eggplant. Yum 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 yum. I'm gonna put this here. So these are some things that start with the sound E. You can repeat that by yourself. Bye for now.